Perfection. Even perfection can fade. When time takes its toll, even legends lose their crown. Today, we bring back one of the most powerful machines on the planet. The Bugatti Chiron. From forgotten to flawless. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you love seeing beasts reborn, hit that subscribe button. And let's begin the revival. This Chiron had been sitting still for years, untouched, unspoken for. The paint oxidized? The carbon fiber losing its shine. The interior still elegant, but weary. Underneath that beauty lies an 8-liter W16 monster, silent but waiting to breathe again. Our mission, restore this masterpiece to its original glory, without losing a single ounce of its Bugatti DNA. Every inch of this car demanded respect. We started with a deep carbon restoration, sanding, polishing, and sealing every surface until it reflected perfection. The French Blue paint was revived, layer by layer, matched exactly to Bugatti's original tone. Inside, the cabin was reborn. New leather, reconditioned stitching, and a full electronic recalibration, so every dial, every switch worked like day one. Then came the heart, the quad-turbo W16. New fluids, fresh filters, and a deep recalibration. When it came to life, it wasn't just a sound, it was thunder. Man. After weeks of patience, precision, and pure passion, here it is, the Bugatti Chiron. From forgotten luxury, reborn, to unstoppable art, from dust to diamond, every detail, every roar, every reflection, this is why we do what we do.